China has become the world's construction superpower, building projects that push the boundaries of engineering. Today, we're exploring 10 of the most incredible infrastructure achievements that showcase human ingenuity at its finest. From underwater highways to floating airports, these mega projects have reshaped both landscapes and our understanding of what's possible. 10. The Wuang River Shiplift System. Deep in Guizhou province sits one of the most ingenious transportation solutions ever built. The Wuang River Shiplift system doesn't just dam a river, it creates a vertical highway for boats. Instead of navigating around the massive dam, ships are literally lifted over it in 3 stages. The system, operational since 2021, costs $778 million and transports nearly 3 million tons of cargo annually. The tallest lift raises 500-ton vessels by over 400 feet, like lifting a fully loaded passenger jet straight up. The entire 1.4-mile system includes 3 boat lifts, 2 concrete aqueducts, and a tunnel carved through solid rock. Ships rise 236 feet on the first lift, cross an aqueduct, then tackle the massive 400-foot middle lift before completing their mechanical journey through the mountain. 9. China's box girder bridge revolution. While other countries build bridges one at a time, China has industrialized the entire process. The China Railway Major Bridge Group leads this revolution, handling projects from Croatia's Pelješac Bridge to Macau's cross-sea connections. ZPMC's Shanghai facilities use robotic welding arms and automated painting systems to handle massive steel components. These aren't just factories, they're engineering cathedrals, where smart production lines use laser-guided systems and robotic welders to create box girders over 100 feet long. These components are loaded onto specialized transporters and shipped to construction sites with millimeter-level precision, revolutionizing how the world builds bridges. 8. The Yangze River Underwater Highway. Beneath the Yangtze River, engineers are creating the world's longest underwater highway tunnel. The 24-mile Hai'an Yangtze River Tunnel uses Zhuhai, an extraordinary tunnel boring machine that's 475 feet long and weighs over 11 million pounds. The machine's 54-foot cutting head is large enough for a 6-lane highway. The underwater section stretches nearly 7 miles at depths of 246 feet, where pressure equals 75 tons per square yard. Zhuhai navigates soft silt and shifting riverbed conditions using pressure balance systems and real-time monitoring. When completed in 2028, this tunnel will connect Nantong and Suzhou, built one precise cut at a time through some of the most challenging underwater terrain on Earth. 7. Beijing DSing International Airport. Rising south of Beijing, DSing International Airport represents aviation's future. Nicknamed the Starfish for its distinctive shape, this $63 billion marvel opened in 2019 after 5 years of construction. The airport spans 18 square miles with the world's largest single terminal at 8 million square feet. Smart design ensures passengers reach even the farthest gate in just 8 minutes. Facial recognition streamlines check-in, while advanced baggage systems ensure precision handling. Underground railways connect DSing to Beijing, Tianjin, and other major cities. The journey from Beijing takes just 28 minutes by high-speed rail, making this architectural marvel as functional as it is beautiful. 6. The Hong Kong Zuhai Macau Bridge. The world's longest sea crossing spans 34 miles across the Pearl River Delta, connecting 3 major cities. This $18 billion engineering marvel combines bridges, underwater tunnels, and artificial islands in perfect harmony. Construction took nearly a decade, featuring 3 cable-stayed spans and a 2.6-mile underwater tunnel. The tunnel required placing 33 massive tube segments beneath the waves, while artificial islands were constructed using innovative steel seawall methods. The bridge handles 10,000 vehicles daily, though many prefer the golden shuttle buses that complete the 40-minute journey 24 hours a day. When it opened in 2018, it immediately became an icon of modern engineering achievement. 5. The South-North Water Transfer Project. The world's largest water diversion system moves over 11 trillion gallons annually from China's water-rich south to the drought-prone north. This engineering marvel began in 2003 with a concept dating back to the 1950s. The project features 3 main routes spanning thousands of miles. The eastern route upgrades the ancient Grand Canal, while the central route uses gravity alone to move water 780 miles to Beijing. The western route, still in planning, could transfer 50 trillion trillion gallons annually. The system required relocating over 330,000 people and building tunnels beneath the Yellow River. Today, it delivers water to over 185 million people through a network of aqueducts, tunnels, and reservoirs. 4. Chongqing Metro. The mountain railway building a subway system in a mountainous city required engineering solutions that seem to defy gravity. Chongqing's metro expansion aims for a 30-line network covering 916 miles by 2050. The challenging geography forced remarkable innovations. Hongyedong Station sits 380 feet underground, China's deepest metro station. Line 2 features a monorail passing directly through a residential building, with passengers traveling between the 6th and 8th floors. The system uses advanced automation and specially designed trains capable of climbing steep slopes and navigating tight curves through some of the world's most challenging urban terrain. 3. Pingan Finance Center. Towering nearly 2,000 feet over Shenzhen, the Pingan Finance Center dominates the skyline with its gleaming stainless steel exterior. This $1.5 billion skyscraper took 8 years to complete and features 112 floors above ground. The building's 8 massive columns narrow toward the top, creating its distinctive silhouette. Over 4 million pounds of stainless steel cladding creates a mirror-like surface reflecting the city below. With 5 million square feet of usable space, it's the world's second-largest skyscraper by floor area. The Free Sky observation deck, at 1,800 feet, offers 360-degree city views, accessed by 33 high-speed elevators traveling up to 2,000 feet per minute. 2. Dalian Jingu International Airport. Off China's northeast coast, the world's largest airport, built on an artificial island, is taking shape. Dalian Jingu International Airport will cover 7.5 square miles of reclaimed land when completed in 2035. The multi-billion-dollar facility will feature 4 runways and a 960,000 square foot terminal designed to handle 80 million passengers annually. Building on the sea presents extraordinary challenges, requiring advanced marine engineering and massive earthworks projects. Dalian's strategic location near Japan and South Korea makes this airport crucial for Northeast Asian connectivity. The project will transform how the region connects to the world, establishing a major aviation gateway. 1. The Pinglu Canal, gateway to ASEAN. The Pinglu Canal represents the most ambitious waterway project of the 21st century. This 83-mile canal will create the shortest inland route connecting China's Guangxi region with ASEAN countries by 2026. The $10 billion project will save over 340 miles of shipping distance for inland provinces. Engineers have already removed 200 million cubic meters of rock and carved a 217-foot-deep valley between mountains. At this location, they're building the world's largest inland ship lock, measuring nearly 1,000 feet long. By 2035, the canal will carry over 95 million tons of cargo annually, reducing transportation costs by $720 million each year. By 2050, cargo volume could reach 120 million tons. The Pinglu Canal will fundamentally reshape trade routes between China and Southeast Asia, creating new economic opportunities while demonstrating China's infrastructure-led development vision. These 10 mega projects represent more than impressive engineering. They showcase humanity's ability to reshape the world through vision and innovation. From ocean depths to sky-high towers, China's infrastructure revolution continues pushing the boundaries of possibility. Each project connects communities, transforms futures, and reminds us that with sufficient ambition and resources, human ingenuity knows few limits. These marvels of engineering will serve millions while standing as permanent testaments to what we can accomplish together. What impressed you most about these incredible projects? Let us know in the comments, and subscribe for more amazing stories of human achievement and engineering excellence.